Hello guys, welcome to another video of Joseph, and I'm going to be doing pistol knife only. Don't worry about the background. But I hope you enjoy this video, and let's start. Oh, ticket's ready. Anyone like a nap? Come on, right.
We've lost the lead.
Oh my god.
We're in the lead.
Dun,
Satcom ready.
dun, 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 dun,
Dog ready.
Oh, this gun's so good. You're doing this, guys. You should use this gun.
Enemy Satcom active.
Boom. Come on. Do more. Oh. Dun, 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 dun.
Enemy Satcom spotted.
Oh! Damn it! We was one away.
Satcom uplink enabled.
We were. That was some sick killing there. Oh yeah, dog. Dog, 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 dog. Dog, 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 dog. No, yes, dog. Dog, dog. Ah, oh, I didn't have it out. Damn it. Fudge. I was like, whoa, 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 whoa. I was like, why are you firing? Why are you firing? Why are you? Oh, I was not. Oh, I'm gonna kill y'all. Boom, boom, boom. No one kills my god dog. Then, lun, 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 lun. Yeah, go dog. 19 to 4, not bad. Seeing you. Juggernaut man. Oh, what have I told you? Don't go that far away. I'll let me kill you. Oh, 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 oh. How sick was that? I was like, oh, 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 oh.
Satcom ready.
I saw a lot of them, bro. Got out killed in it.
Going dog ready.
Another jugger. Another god dog. Mega jugger. Oh. Watch this kill. Oh! What? Come on, dog. Oh, no. Alright. la la la. Some of these guys are league. Oh. Some of these are noobs. They don't know how to play this. So I spoke to some of them.
Go dog KIA.
I'm like, are you noob? Yeah, I'm like, yeah, sure. Where's my guard dog? Hey, boy. Good boy. Whoa. What are you
Friendly SATCOM ready.
No! Oh my god! I keep trying to reload fudge. Some juggernaut maniac. Dang it.
Go dog KIA. Destroy your SATCOM.
Oh. Boom, lost kill, guys.
Nice work, ghosts. Well done.
Thank you for watching this, but I just watched my last kill. I don't really want to rank up, so I chose another character. So that's for today, guys.